Hello everybody, Mrs. Miles again. Phonics time. It's Wednesday today. Okie dokie. You'll need some paper and something to write with. If you haven't got those things, pause your video and go and get them now. Okay? And then we're ready to start. All right? Are we ready? Fantastic. Magnet eyes? Listening ears? Let's do our sound of the day. Or, 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 or. Fantastic. Let's have a look at the picture of our sound of the day. Oh, there's some aliens, look. There they are. And they're in a spaceship. And this alien is saying to this alien, who's called or, shut the door. Can you say that? Or, shut the door. Brilliant. He's called or. And he's saying, or, shut the door. Now it's another special friend, and this one's got two letters in it, making one sound. An O and an R, an O and a R. Together they say or. Or. Brilliant. When you see this side, I want you to say or, shut the door. And when you see this side, I want you to say or. Are we ready? Off we go. Or, shut the door. Remember that or at the beginning? Or, shut the door. Or shut the door. Or, brilliant, well done. Let's pop or in with the sounds that we already know. And when we see it, I'd like you to give it a thumbs up. Nice and speedy, let's go. Remember this one? Oh. Well done, don't get those mixed up. Ch, k, ch. Oh, shut the door, let's hide it again. Are we ready? Oh, shut the door, one more time. Or, shut the door. Or. Brilliant. Or. Well done. Okay. Fred can talk in sounds. We need to put those sounds into words. Are we ready? Sort. 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 Brilliant. Let's try another one. Fork. 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 Well done. Let's try another one. Sport. 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 Brilliant. One more. Short. 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 When something's really little or low down, it's short, short. Brilliant, well done. Okay, go and get your pencil and your thing that you're writing on, and let's practice writing our sound of the day and then writing some words, doing some spelling. Are we ready? Okay. So, or, I'm going to show you how to write it, okay? Because I'm going to show you the join. Or, and you join at the top. Can you see? Or shut the door. Or. Or. Make sure you've got the letters in the right order. If you need a bit longer, pause the video. Okay? We're now going to do I. I. 3 letters. Remember how to join them. I. So really hard that is that one. So if you need to pause the video and have a look at how I've written it. I fly high. I fly high. I. Let's do one more. Let's do K. Special friend K. Remember how to write special friend K? It's the 2 K together. C and a K. Tick tock clock. Tick tock clock. K, 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 k. Brilliant. If you need longer, pause the video. Make sure yours looks like mine does. Let's have a go at some spelling. Okay, all words. Are we ready? How many sounds in the word sort? Sort. 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 Pinch the sounds. Sort. Sort. Write it. Sort. Ought. Pause it if you need longer. Or. Underline my special friend. T. Sort. Give yourself a tick for S, for or, and for T. Tick or correct. Tick or correct. Short. Let's try short. Short. How many sounds in short? Sh, or, t. 3 again. Short. Short. Pinch the sounds. Sh, or, t. Sh, or, t. Write it. Underline your special friends. I'll give you a clue. There's 2. Sh, ought. Sh, ought. Shh. Pause it if you need to. Shh. Shh. Ought. Short. Tick or correct your sh, your or, and your t. Short. Fabulous. Well done. Okay, let's have a go at doing some reading now. Fred talk, read the word. I'll start. Fred talk. Sort. 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 I've had a sort out of my cupboards. Okay, off you go. Fred talk. Read the word. Fork. Fred talk. Read the word. Short. short. Fred talk. Read the word. Snort. 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 Fred talk. Read the word. Sort. Sort.